Hey everyone, how's it going? My name is Henry, and in this video, I'll be sharing everything you need to know about GutOptim before you decide to buy it. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's super important that you stick around until the end of this video to avoid losing your money. A quick warning before we start. The first thing you need to know is, be very careful about the website where you purchase GutOptim. This product is only available on the official website. To make it easier for you, I've left the link to the official website in the video description and pinned it in the first comment below. Now, let's dive in. I'm here to give you my honest review of GutOptim, share my experience, and help you decide if it's worth it. What is GutOptim? GutOptim is a dietary supplement designed to support digestive health and optimize gut function. Its formula combines prebiotics, probiotics, and natural ingredients like black walnuts, konjac glucosamine, apple pectin, dried plums, and bentonite clay. These ingredients work together to improve digestion, reduce bloating and gas, strengthen the immune system, enhance sleep quality, aid in weight management. GutOptim targets the root cause of many digestive issues, imbalances in the gut microbiome. It helps restore the balance of beneficial bacteria, cleanses the intestines, and repairs the intestinal lining for comprehensive digestive support. The manufacturer recommends taking 2 capsules daily with water for at least 3 months to achieve the best results. This ensures your body can fully absorb the supplement's benefits, leading to improved gut health and overall wellness over time. How does GutOptim work? GutOptim's formula is a powerful blend of prebiotics, probiotics, and bentonite clay that works together to fight harmful microbes, cleanse the intestines, restore balance to the intestinal microbiome. Ingredients like black walnuts, glucosamine, apple pectin, and dried plums help repair the intestinal lining, support efficient digestion, and reduce uncomfortable symptoms like bloating and gas. The probiotics in GutOptim promote the growth of beneficial bacteria, creating a healthy gut microbiome. Research shows that a balanced gut impacts more than just digestion. It also supports the immune system, metabolism, and even mental health. On the flip side, an imbalance can lead to issues like stress, insomnia, and poor digestion. Additionally, GutOptim's fiber-rich ingredients help you feel fuller, making it useful for weight management. Its antioxidants support immune health and reduce oxidative stress in the body. By taking 2 capsules daily, you'll enjoy continuous digestive support throughout the day. Final thoughts. GutOptim is backed by research emphasizing the importance of a healthy gut for overall well-being. By cleansing the intestines, repairing the gut lining, and balancing beneficial bacteria, this supplement offers a holistic approach to digestive health. If you are struggling with digestive issues, poor metabolism, or even stress, GutOptim could be the solution you're looking for. Don't forget to purchase it only from the official website to avoid counterfeit products. Check the link in the description or pinned comment to get started. Stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.